If you're a graphic designer and you have been struggling on how you can get free, high quality, free mockup download, all you have to do is to make sure you watch this video, because in this video, I'm going to show you a very great website that you can use to get free, unlimited PSD file, high resolution mockup download for free. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about free stuff like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see great website that you can use to download unlimited free mockup high resolution for free. So alright, so the very first one I would like to show you here is unblast.com PSD mockup that you can use all for free for your design. You can also get some icons all for free on this particular website. What you need to do when you go to unblast.com, you can scroll down and you see a bunch of free resource for graphic designer. If you want to get unlimited mockup free download, what you need to do is to navigate to mockup from the top right here. Click on the mockups. So when you click on mockups, you are going to see unlimited free mockups on this particular site that you can download and use all for free. You can see they upload new free PSD high resolution mockup. So this is what I have for you as far as unblast.com is concerned, free mockup download. So let's take a look at another website for free PSD mockup download. Another great website I want to show you on how you can get free PSD mockup for your design right here is mockups. Designs.com. This site also offer a great high resolution free mockup. So for you to get some mockups, you can navigate from the home tab on the site right here. Click on mockups, then this is going to drop down and then you can pick on any one of your choice, or you can better still scroll down and then browse from different options right here: flyers, mockup, brochures, business card, books and stationery, and packaging, apparel and more. So or you can scroll down and see more mockups right here. You can see at the bottom right here they have about 75 pages of free mockup. So you can see you can download by you can click on these pages and then from there you download whatever mockup of your choice. You can see all these are high resolution free PDF free PSD mockup templates. So another one I have for you as far as free mockup is concerned is dailymockup.com. dailymockup.com is also a great website for all designers where you can use to get free PSD mockup. When you launch into the site, you can navigate right here, click on all free mockups right here. So when you click on all free mockups, they are going to show you all 16 free PSD mockup on the site. Okay. So after you click on all mockups, then you can come here and you can scroll down. Then you see all high resolution mockup that you can download all for free. You can see iPad, billboard, things like that. You can scroll down. You see more free mockup templates that you can use for your design. Okay. So let's take a look at another website. So another great website I have for you guys here is mockuptree.com. So mockuptree.com offer unlimited free high resolution mockup. You can browse from the sites bar right here: iPhone, Mac, iPad, MacBook, laptop. All these are free mockups that you can use for your design. You can also, if you're looking for brand mockup, just have to click on branding mockups. Then the drop down, you can select on any one of your choice that you want to use. Then you can also scroll down. Then you see all the mockups right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see. You can see this site here, they have about 43 pages. This is a lot of great mockup right here that you can use, and you download them and use it for your design. All these are for free. This is and paper flyer. These are so many free PSD mockup like that. And the next one I want to show, the very last one I would like to show you as far as mockup template is concerned, right here we have free mockup.com. So you can see the URL site right here, and this is the website logo. So when you get to the site, you just have to navigate right here. You see all free mockups. We have online mockup generator, mockup. This allow you to generate your personal mockup. If you don't know how to use PSD to generate mockup, you can use their online mockup generator. You'll be fine. You can get a free book mockups. You can get branding mockup for free, bag mockup for free, bottle mockup, cup mockups, beverages, and iPad mockups. All these are for free. You can scroll down and then you browse by tag right here. Each of the tag right here, they represent mockups that you can download for free. So just click on any of the tags, then it's load up, and you are going to see all the mockup. Then you can download them for free. You can scroll down, then you see more and more mockup that is going to be loaded up on your PC. You can also click on see more free mockup right here. So when you click on see more free mockup, you are going to see a bunch of free high resolution mockup that you can download and use for your design. All these are for free. I hope you really enjoy this freebie I share with you guys as far as free mockup for PSD is concerned. If you're enjoying this video, give this video a big like, and don't forget to share this video to your loved one. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel for more tutorial like this, remember to click that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about free stuff like this, you'll be notified. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.